afraid. One chop.
Me no want chop out just like teeth. Pagan people no want see me live at all.
What the jungle dunga bongo dunga one? Terror Dan, I man like the place, you know. I give you the best review.
Jano Star. Yo, people, I hope this is not true. I swear to God. I hope this is not true. I swear to the people. Yo, about 1 week now, you know, me I ask, where is Ragin King? Oh, we not get no update on Ragin King and thing. 1,060,000 people to be exact. I link me and say, yo, Jano Terror. Me I hear say Ragin King. Me don't even want to say the word, people. Me just not want it to be true. And gotta watch over your Ragin King. Me really don't want to be. Yeah, me I tell you, yo, me I tell you, say, by just doing this video alone, tears come to my eyes. I mean, no, the Duns fans, them not say on a Duns and can't read, but that a theme fan base. You understand? Him call theme type of fan base, Duns Stocks. You understand? Just like it have Gaza Gully. Me go hope, say, yo, you not take this to heart because it no must be true, you know. It can be rumors that circulate which is false, or most time the rumors them can come out to be true. But me go hope say nothing like this not happen. Because what do you know? We make the video and I say, yo, where's Ragin King? He missing. And now, but a day after that, I think the management team of his, or him himself, put out on him Instagram and say, yo, him good. Him a come on, him a try if he recover. And him a give thanks to the nurse them, to the fans them, to the well-wishers them, the people them who a say, yo, get well soon, the prayers them when him get on them thing there. Him a tell them, say, yo, thanks. It's a heartfelt message Ragin King put out to them. And now we are going to hear all of them news. It not sound good. So what you tell me, say? So something happened to Ragin King and them a hide it from the public? Alright then. So how the information get out? People may not believe. And to all of the people who believe in a God, just want to say, yo, move all demon from round Ragin King right now. You understand? No demon can conquer Ragin King. So all of the people who want to see Ragin King forward out, just send up on the prayers. You see me? And we know say probably this is some time now where in which the family of Ragin King might need privacy and thing. And each time I make a video about Ragin King, you know, my office say your condolence goes out to the girl family. You understand? The girl will pass out. You understand? Big woman thing. It's not a good news that. So I always have to say condolence goes out to fear family, them and our loved one and everybody. You know what I say? But we're going to talk about Ragin King. We know Ragin King as an artist and thing. And we know say every day something bad happen to other human being, which now have nothing to do with popularity or anything like that, but nobody talk about it. You understand? But as something happened to Ragin King, everybody start talk about it. Yeah, because Ragin King in the public demand, him in the public eyes, people are seeing him is a popular person, him is a dancehall artist. You see me? So people are more likely to talk about a popular person. It's so fucked up. But we can't change the world. The world already set in place to be a corrupt situation. So we can't change it. You understand? So let's not use any negativity. Just keep that phone to yourself. To all of the people who dislike the video. Why you dislike the video? May I talk to you now? Why you dislike the video? You don't feel like say the devil enough for winning enough to do that right now. Prayers for you send up. Big woman thing. And I'm tired for you use that sad instrumental in my video every time. 2020 is just not a good year. Because each video I make, you know, majority of my video them what I make for this year is sad. 2019 wasn't all about that. You see me I say? Remember I say from my born in first me I say the whole world locked down, you know. Me never see that yet, you know. Normally places were locked down at jail and prison. Now the whole world locked down and thing. You see me I say? Then you hear say Ragin King meeting at this difficulty. Then you hear say Sparta Bar, oh, him get locked up every year like a Christmas. But that different. Take that out of it. You see me? Then we hear many more artists, even artists, a crash for spite. You understand? And a buy band-aid put over them. Take that out of it. That not have nothing to do with me. You see me I say? People, nobody mix me now and put that in the comment section and start talking about other artists. I talk terror. No, I not talk about the artists. You see me I say? So nobody mix me. But from Ragging King, meet another little problem there. Them say Jackie want a new Benz, so him go get him that different. Take that out of it again. You see me? And everybody else. You have this artist who get shut up at Ochi. You have a next artist who crash. You have a next artist who do this. And everybody where things are happen to are people in the public demand. You see me I say? So are people within the public eyes. That's why from what day I even go up on the road. You see me I say? I just ease myself, calm, and just take everything to giant prayer. And I say, yo, watch out. We want to live out that era because that era sick. That era crazy. And the era itself a fight you. So you see, in order to live out that era, you have to just believe in the Almighty. You see me I say? And I respect and rate Ragging King as an artist, you know. Respect him as an individual. If you know, say, you watch him fall out of the ghetto, help him family, and everything, and I try to help him friends. But let me tell you something. Me hear people as a Ragging King there in a crime and violence and them thing there. That is what I'm not sure about. You see me I say? So I can't talk about things I'm not sure about. None at all. So things I'm sure about is that Ragging King always I give away its song and I give away the good music them. You know see the thing tough? And them song there. So we always can relate about them thing there. We can't relate to Ragging King a fire shot round the road and them thing there. No. We never see that in the public yet. You see me I say? Look on the style now. People might say you're a bad mind, but it's furthest from that. Me not feel like I just bad mind. We're not gonna just leave it a bad mind just so. We'll leave it as a way of say. The artists them went down to make it out of the ghetto, stay out of the ghetto. Try to elevate the people them from out of the ghetto. Take them out if you can take out some. But you can't want to go back in the ghetto and feel like say people now go meds like that because them go say from you make it out, you know, you start by gun. That's the way everybody has said. Not just bad man but police too. You see me I say? So in order for Ragging King stay so boops now and make it out of the ghetto and stay far from people. Enough people don't say, yo, do like what Alkaline do, do like what Movado do. Run away from Jamaica. You see me? Yeah man. Every time we dey a yard we have to load up. Mindset of people them not show love. I want powerful song that by Alkaline. So now everybody has see why Alkaline did make a song like that because him realize that from a longer time say yo watch ya. Them people about ya, them not show love. Remember say one time, you know, artists never used to get in so much problem, you know. Meaning, every bad man will claim say them a bad man used to love artists whenever them come in at them era, you know. Now, if there's an artist, there's nobody to them killer ya. Them man ya want drink your blood same way. You see me? Cause them man ya kill people for a cigarette. You understand? A one man can stay so here we go and come pour around me. Me I give KFC and everything. Some man left KC, you know, go par with all artists, you know, for KFC. That is not right. You left good KC, go par with artists for KFC. That makes sense? And then artists in a little vibes through studio, you take it up on your head, go and go fire shot off a next artist. What? For gain respect? For gain popularity? That now make you no better. You see me I say? And to one of the people who say Ragging King a gunman and him mix up in a violence, that's why I'm pass a aunt him now. Me don't want to hear that right now. You understand? Me not say we no free for leave no opinion, you know. But dog, we are hear some bad news in which me even can say right now. Me don't want to say it because me don't believe. That's how me want to say. Me don't believe say that happened to Ragging King. And anybody know me attack, know me attack. But it's a sad news. And one of the saddest news this time ever I hear about Ragging King. Not even when he get shot, it did so sad. You understand? Because when him get shot in me hear saying I'm footing. You see me? So me I say, okay, then him can recover. And then I see a couple of weeks pass and I don't see him recover. Me I say, what happened to him? And nobody now update. I say, Ragging King missing. Because you don't know my platform big. So it draw out the manager them, the management team them for stay so woman make a video. Or make a post. So they make the post and say, Ragging King good and rare. In which everybody think a Ragging King make the post. But me don't know say I'm a Ragging King. I'm management team. So when they make the post now and thing, me and Meds it and I say, yo, Jano Star, him good then. Him a command for real. Because it's a public post that from him official Instagram page with blue tick. So them not have no worries. Now we are here other news. So we are telling me say I mislead we. Or the news we get a mislead we. Well, it now mislead me because I don't believe. Tell me, say, I know, so. More somebody will really know what go on. Link me. on my Instagram, TerradanENT1, and tell me what really are going for Ragin King. Yo, we need to know. The fans them need to know what are going for Ragin King. You see me I say? We need to know. Really and truly. But people, until next time, you know, bless up on yourself. You don't know the thing. One chop. I'm out.